Hello, my name is Jaime, and in this video we are going to see the functionality of the project 2B Heredity of the CS50 course. So the first thing we are going to do is enter the directory of the Heredity, open a terminal, and then we are going to execute this instruction. Okay. And if we press enter, like we can see, the values are the same that in this example, so we can assume that the program is correct. But first we are going to do some tests. Okay, we have Harry, James and Lily. Harry is the child of James and Lily, and we can see the gen 2 is this, the 1 is this, and the 0 is this. And the thread and with the gens of James and Lily, we get these values, 0.2665 and 0.7335. It's the same that here. Like we can see, these values are the same too, and the thread from James and the thread for Lily are 1 in true and 1 in false for Lily, because in this exercise James have the trait and Lily don't have the trait all the time in all the comprobations like we do. So this is fine, and like you can see, all the values sum 1, adds 1. Okay, and we are going to make some other tests. We're going to see the family 1. Okay, we have only false 1, so this is good. Thread 1, child 1, and all this. And if we add the gens to 1 and 0, we get that the sum is 1. So we can assume that the program is correct in all the cases. Molly is 1, 2, Ron is 1, 2, so perfect. And finally we are going to see family 2, and we are going to see that it is similar to the other families. Like we have some fathers or mothers that are the trait are true or false with probability 1, and the childs are probability less than 1 for true and false. And all the gens and the trait sum 1, so the program must be correct.